The great part of my struggle was with the work from home setup, there was no boundary. It's hard to be a mother, a daughter, a sister, a friend, and an employee all at the same time. Second is health. It's not just your mind and your body being idle, it's you as a whole.
Hi everybody, good
I
morning.
miss dressing up. I'm in the training space. I'm speaking in front of a big class, so to speak. So one of the things that I really missed was to dress up well. It was very difficult because you don't get to see the faces of your participants. The physical connection that was missing.
Hybrid working world, it is the future. Allows all of our employees to get a good mix, to continue to build our connections with their colleagues. Because one thing about hybrid, you get to see people and you foster sometimes better collaborations, better ideas, and it's working for us at RingCentral.
They're the heartbeat of our company. And here in Manila, it's like 30% of our overall workforce. We take care of our people take care of customers, we get more customers. It's just the right thing to do all the way around.